Swaminarayan. We are just studying about the marbles example of Sarita and Amina. Okay, so I am talking about 10 plus x and 10 multiplied by x. So listen carefully. If the instruction is given that the amount of marbles Sarita has 10 more, okay, so we are adding. If it is asked that it is 10 multiple of Amina, then we have to take as 10x. Get it idea? So we may check this for some value of x. For example, x is equal to 2. So 10x is equal to, I am sorry, 10 into 2, that is 20. So x plus 10 is equal to 10 plus 2, that is 12. See, here example is given. अगर वो मल्टीपल है तो हम 10 इंटू 2 20 हो जाएगा, और 10 प्लस है तो 10 प्लस 2 कितना होगा, 12 होगा. तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंस है, ये हमेशा याद रखना. x is equal to 10, then 10x is equal to 10 into 10 100, and x plus 10, then it is 10 plus 10, that is 20. See how much difference is there. Okay, so x plus 10 and 10x में क्या फर्क है, सबको समझ में आया? Okay, now last example. Raju and Balu are brothers. Balu is younger and Raju younger than Raju by 3 years. देखो, बालू छोटा है राजू से 3 साल से, तो बड़ा कौन हुआ, राजू. ठीक है, कितने साल से बड़ा है, 3 साल से. अब 3 साल से बड़ा है तो क्या करेंगे, 3 ऐड करेंगे या 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, we have to add 3. Okay, so when Raju is 12 years, then Balu is 9 years. जब राजू 12 साल का होगा तो जब राजू 12 साल का होगा तो बालू कितने साल का होगा, 9 साल का. जब बालू 12 साल का होगा तब राजू कितने साल का होगा, 15 साल का ना, क्योंकि वो 3 साल से बड़ा है. We do not know Raju's age exactly. It may be vary value. अब यहाँ भी हमें राजू की एग्जैक्ट एज नहीं पता, बस इतना ही पता है कि राजू 3 साल से बड़ा है बालू से. Let x denoted Raju's age in years. सपोज करो कि राजू की उम्र x years है. ओके, इंस्टेड ऑफ टेकिंग एनी नंबर वी हैव टेकिंग द वेरिएबल x. Raju's age in years is equal to x, but then Balu's age in years is equal to x minus 3. तब बालू की एज कितनी होगी, 3 साल से कम, दैट्स वाई x minus 3. ठीक है, द एक्सप्रेशन इज x minus 3, इट इज रीड एज x minus 3. As would expect, when x is 12, then Balu's age is equal to x minus 3, that is 9. When x is 15, then x minus 3, it is 12. Get it? देखो, अगर बालू की उम्र हमने 12 पकड़ी, okay, we assume that the age of Raju is 12, then Balu's age is 12 minus 3, that is 9. And if we suppose, or we can say assume, Raju's age is 15, then what is Balu's age, it is 15 minus 3, that is 12. Get it? Fine. So let's start the exercise. Okay, see everyone, exercise 11.1. So there are no more notes about it. I just write, you have to start also chapter 11 on the next page. You have to write the algebra and such 3 branches, write the definition of algebra, and just start the exercise 11.1. okay, so see first example. Find the rule which gives the number of mastics required to make the following mastics pattern. Use a variable to read the rule. ओके, अब हमने पहले जो मैस्टिक्स से लेटर्स बनाए थे ना, जैसे एफ सी एल, राइट, तो उसके लिए हमने जो रूल्स बने थे वो देखे. अब हमें कौन से पैटर्न देखना है, अ पैटर्न ऑफ लेटर टी. Okay, so see here T कैसे बनाया है, it is also given, but we can form now. It is easy to form the letters with the help of mastics. I think you have already make the activities to make the shapes like triangle, rectangle, or we can say cubes. So in the I think 4th or 5th standard it is activity for you. Okay, so pattern of letters with the help of mastics we can make T as such. Okay, so it is how many sticks required? 2. So it is 2n pattern, right? So a pattern for letter Z. So see here 1, 2 and this is 3. So the rule is 3n. Get it? Now next. A pattern for letter U. So U should not be curves. It should be such like this. See 1, 2 and this is 3. So it is 3n pattern. Okay. Now a pattern for letter V. So it is 1 and 2, that is 2n. Okay. So pattern for letter E as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So how many? It's 5n. Get it? Next. A pattern for letter S. So see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what will the pattern? 5n. Okay. Next, a pattern for letter A. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what will the pattern? 6n. Okay, everyone understand? Okay, can anyone tell me how much mastic required for letter P? See 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, that is 5n. Okay, so you can for practice you can take any letter any alphabet and start to using start to counting the mastic and form the patterns. Okay, just for curiosity. Okay, so let's see the second question. We already know the rule for the pattern of letters L, C, F. Some of the letters from question 1 given above give us the same rule as that of L. So which are these? Why does this happen? So what is the rule for L? It is 2n. Okay. So see the first example. Have any letter has 2n rule? Just 1 minute. Okay. So can anyone tell me, has any of this pattern is 2n? Yes, see this first. It has 2n. Okay, and see this V also. It has also 2n rule. So how many? A and D. That means for letter T and V has same rule. Why? Because it also require only 2 mastics. Understand? For letter T and for letter V, it has same rule as it requires only 2 mastics. Understand? Fine. So let's start the third example. The cadets are marching in a parade. There are 5 cadets in a row. What is the rule which gives us the number of cadets given the number of rows? Use the n for number of rows. Now,